The first thing I noticed about this was just how high quality everything felt. Usually, like when I get phone mounts for the car, they don't feel very nice. But this one, I mean, everything really, it's kind of crazy how nice it all feels. The hinges are all very easy to use. Everything slides very nicely. It's got like a locking suction cup, which I keep it covered for now because I actually want to put it back in my car. But I can even actually show you real quick just how strong this thing is. If I unlock it, put it right here. Look at that. It's on there. All right, let me get it up. Oh my gosh, that's actually kind of hard. Hey, there we go. So the suction cup has two ways of actually suctioning. You know, one of them being the suction cup itself. The second being it's actually kind of sticky under here. So when I'm not using it, I try to keep it covered so that I don't, ruin the sticky. But I'm sure if I were to wash it, it'd probably be fine. It's got many different modes of articulation, as you can see. It's even got this one down here, which you can lock. And the star of the show, as you can see, the fast charge thing right here. Actually, the way it works, you'll see there's a USB-C plug under here. So if I get the USB-C, plug it in, you'll see on the side here, there will be a red light. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this, push the buttons. You're going to see it open up. I'm going to throw the phone in here. The moment it detects a phone, it's going to start clamping down on it. And as you can see, this phone is in here. Very nice. Obviously, if you were to pull up, you could kind of slide it out, but it takes a pretty decent amount of force. Your car is not just going to be like wiggling it around out. The other thing that you're going to want to know is that when you hit these, there's two buttons, one on each side. Either button, when you click it, it'll open and it'll close, as you can see. The other nice thing is this not only clamps down on your phone, but if you can't tell by the fast charge, it charges it as well. So, verdict on this inexpensive phone car charger thing is crazy high. I was not expecting this to be this nice. Everything feels really nice, even though it's plastic. And you would expect this all to just be kind of crappy, but I'll be completely honest. I'm pretty happy with it. It works pretty well. The phone stays in there pretty well. You can even, technically, even though I dislike it, you can kind of showcase it like on its side like this. Only thing I don't like about that is that it says fast charge on the side whenever you don't have the phone in there. But, you can still get the phone in there charging and clamp down even when it's on its side. Overall, very high quality. The plug, USB-C, which you can't beat. Comes with the plug, by the way. It actually has another little ball adapter too, right here, as you can see. So you can pull this whole piece off and replace it with this. And this actually lets you clamp it down in the air vents. So it's actually a pretty nice air vent clamp too, I'll be honest. Usually these air vent clamps aren't the nicest, but this is actually really simple and works. I totally recommend it. I'm going to stop rambling. I totally recommend it.